Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, I would like to say thank you for coming in my presentation. And before I explain the journal that I make, I want to introduce myself. My name is Tami Indriani. I'm from Masum University Indonesia. In this opportunity, I would like to present about my journal, namely Design of Website-Based Information System at SMK Pasundan Jatinangor. First, I will explain to you about the background of my journal. Information technology is the technology needed to process information using electronic computers. The development of information technology is very rapid, of course, providing benefit to human life. Various areas of human life are now starting to implement various new technological devices to make it easier for humans. SMK Pasundan Jatinangor, which is a private vocational high school located in Jatinangor district area. More precisely, having his address at Kolonel Ahmad Syam Street, number 46, Cikeruh Village, Jatinangor district. It has 5 departments, namely Computer Network Engineering, Motorcycle Engineering, Light Vehicles Engineering, Accounting, and Office Administration. And one of the facilities at SMK Pasundan Jatinangor is a library, which is often used every day to read and borrow books. Currently, the library system process is semi-computerized based, namely using the Microsoft Excel application. When a book is borrowed in the library, the data is input in Microsoft Excel as well as member data, book data, date of borrowing, and date of return are manually input, resulting in calculation. Fines were calculated manually. The authors found several problems with this library system, including 1. There was a loss of the books because it was not automatically updated. 2. When there is a loan, there is an error recording the book data and member data. 3. The slow handling of service in the library. 4. There was an error in the late fee for returning the book. And last, requires a long process of inputting books, member, and borrowing. Because the prevailing system is felt outdated and has not keep up with current technological development, create a library information system which the author entitled Design of Website-Based Library Information System at SMK Pasundan Jatinangor, which can help reduce the working time of slow officer to be faster and more effective, minimize the occurrence inputting errors of book and member data, automatic calculation of fines, accelerating service in the library, and work that was done manually becomes automatic. Based on the background, it can be concluded that there are several objectives of this research are: number 1, make a system design in order to minimize book data loss. 2, designing a system to minimize error in the recording data. 3, designing information system to improve and simplify library service. 4, designing information system to minimize error in calculating fines. And last, designing information system to improve and speed up service processes in the library. Based on the description above, the authors conclude this research will focus on designing a website-based library information system at SMK Pasundan Jatinangor. The writer hopes that this system design can facilitate all library service, reduce the work time of officer to be faster and more effective, minimize the occurrence error in inputting book and member data, work that was originally done in manner manual because automatic especially facilitate the work of library management staff. In this research, the system development method used is the OOAD, or Object-Oriented Analysis and Design method, with the RUP, or Rational Unified Process Model, This method is used because it uses the object-oriented concept. There are several stages of the RUP, namely business modeling, requirement, analysis and design, implementation, test and deployment. And the system development tool used is UML, or Unified Modeling Language. UML is a set of tools used to perform abstraction of an object-based system or software, which consists of use case diagram, activity diagram, and class diagram. System development tools. In an information system design, the system development tool used is UML. UML is a set of tools used to perform abstraction of an object-based system or software. UML stands for Unified Modeling Language. UML is also one way to facilitate sustainable application development. The tools used in this information system model are: 1. Use case diagram. According to Martin Fowler, 2005-141, use case is a technique for recording the functional requirement of a system. Use case diagrams are UML diagram models that are used to describe the expected functional requirement of a system, or can be said to briefly describe who use the system and what they can do. 2 is activity diagram. According to Martin Fowler, 2005-163, activity diagram is a technique for describing procedural logic, business process, and work lines. In some way, activity diagrams play a role similar to flowchart. But the principal difference between flowchart notation is that they support parallel behavior. The nodes in activity diagram are called action, so the diagram shows an activity composed of action. And last is class diagram. According to Bunawar 2005-28, class diagram is a collection of similar objects. Class diagram is a type of diagram that is useful in UML, which can map a particular system structure by modeling classes, attribute, operation, and relationship between objects. And finally, the conclusion is, based on the design result of the library information system at SMK Pasundan Jatinangor, it can be concluded as follows. 1. System design can facilitate computerized input of new books and reduce error in inputting. 2. System design can reducing the processing time in calculating availability of books in the library. 3. System design can provide new chance for staff and teacher in keeping up with the times with a computerized system. And 4. System design can reducing the difficulty in calculating fines that were originally calculated manually. And last, system design can minimizing the loss of books in borrowing. And maybe that's enough explanation from my journal. I will try to answer any question you might have to ask me. And thank you very much for your great attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.